Good morning, students. In part 1 of our lesson, we were discussing about Mars, the red planet. Here also we are going to discuss more about Mars. Students, as you can see, it is written here, Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun, named after the Roman god of war. Why the Romans, the people of Italy, the country, they named after this war god because Mars is red in color, isn't it? If you see in the sky, you will see that it is reddish in color, and we discussed that it is for iron oxide, presence of iron oxide. So that reminded these Romans of blood, and so they named this planet as Mars because it is their name of their war god. Mars has a thin atmosphere that contains mostly carbon dioxide, and Mars has 2 moons. Okay, there are 2 moons in Mars. Children, I will show you more. This is a book, encyclopedia on space. I have it, so I want to show you this. Maybe you also have many encyclopedias, or you can go to Google and search, and you get lots and lots of information about Mars. So you can see this reddish in color. Children, this is the rover. Now rover is actually the things sent and by NASA, and this is finding all the information about Mars, the pathfinder, lot of information it is giving us, and we know more and more about Mars from this type of the spacecraft goes to this space, and from there goes machines, this type of things. They give us all the information because it can move around the whole planet to find the information. Then you have this, the red planet. You can see we discussed already that Mars has 24 hours and 39 days, and some seconds are there, and this is, you can see the dried water, and it has 2 moons, and it is our nearest neighbor. You can see all this. Okay, coming to India, India's Space Research Organization, Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. As you know, APJ Abdul Kalam also worked in ISRO. He was a famous scientist of ISRO. So this ISRO sent the first Mars orbiter mission, and that name of that spacecraft, Mangalyaan, was sent, was launched, started on 5th of November 2013, and it reached 23rd September 2014. And from that period, it is moving around, it has enough fuel to move around the Mars, and it is going on. The people of India, the scientists in ISRO are getting lots and lots of information from that Mangalyaan. Indian scientists are planning to send Mangalyaan 2. It is the scientists have discussed that they may be sending it in the year 2024. Not yet. It takes time actually to, and India joined the countries of Russia, USA and other European space agencies, and it was the fourth country to send the spacecraft Mangalyaan to Mars. And remember children, it was in the first, India was the first country to be successful in the first attempt. Such a great achievement of the scientists of India, and they joined those elite clubs of this Russia, USA and other European space agencies who are sending different spacecrafts to Mars. So this is all about our Mars, and who knows, one day we may meet with aliens in Mars. Till date there are no aliens, and it is a great achievement for the Indians to get a lot of information about Mars, and this is all about our red planet Mars. Okay. Now coming to the new words, the first word is fascinated. It means attracted, unique, one of its kind, inspired, influenced, invasion, to enter a place with an army like the Chinese invasion, and means they entered our territory, and aliens, we are imagining that one day we might meet with the aliens, the foreigners. So these are some of the new words. If all of you have textbooks with you, you can go through the meanings, read the chapter well, read 3-4 times, and it's really interesting. You can find more and more information of Mars, space and spacecraft and whatever research work till date the scientists have done. So this is all about our chapter. Thank you, children.